Another informal question is, do you have a boyfriend? First of all, I am very happy to say this, that now we are a family of 200 plus members. So thank you so much, and this 200 is 2K for me. There was a good response on the questionnaire, so thanks a lot. And let's start with our questionnaire. Okay, the first question is from Vaibhavi. No questions, just blessing. Keep doing your good work. So thank you so much for such a lovely message. This made my day and will keep me motivated for the entire session. So let's move to our next question, that is, who is your mentor and supporter? From Ragini. Yes, Ragini, so my mentors are Uday Takke sir and Harshida Takke ma'am. They are my mentors, my ideals, my supporters, everything. With that, my friends, my family are the one who support me always. And I would like to say something on this. In every success, there is a lady behind. So in my case, the lady is my mom. So thanks a lot, Without her support, I wouldn't be here. So thanks a lot. So let's move to our next question. Do you do all the work alone? Guys, I don't do the entire work alone. My best friend Rupesh helps me in my entire process of making the video and uploading the post and everything. He mainly does the videography and editing work and boosting the post for me. With that, he is also a reason for me to start the channel. So thanks a lot, Rupesh. Yes, so let's move to our next question. Is how to maintain my skin, it's too dry. And this question is by Shreya. So Shreya, let me tell you, if your skin is dry, then make sure you keep it hydrated all day long. Which means when you go out of your house, from that time till you sleep and the next day around, means you have to apply SPF in the daytime, which will also nourish you and protect your skin. And at the same time, apply night cream before you sleep, which can repair your skin's wear and tear. So yes, with that, to all the peoples out there, make sure you drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Guys, please pura ek saath mat pee jana. So which will keep your body hydrated and be beneficial for your skin too. Okay, let's move to our next question. It is an informal question. Are you a Gujarati? Then guys, I am not a Gujarati. I am Asal Marathi Mulgi. You can get that from my name. It's Devyani Deshmukh, right? I am pure Maharashtrian. So thanks a lot for this question and I hope you got your answer. Okay, next. I have hair fall issue. Any home remedy? So guys, let me tell you, for hair fall there are various reasons. It can happen because of your genetics, because of your stress levels, deficiency in body, deficiency like zinc, then iron, vitamins. This deficiency in your body can lead to hair fall. But yes, what you can do right now is have a check on your diet. With that, make sure you use a good shampoo, which is hair fall control shampoo, and with that, you use something which will keep your scalp hydrated, or the way wrong. Hydrated, which means which will give you nourishment, which will give a healthy scalp growth. Okay, I just got a question from Yashwanti Deshmukh, that how can we take care of our hair in hot sunny climate? Make sure you wash them with cold water. The reason is hot water makes the hair shaft dry. With that, use serums, use good hair conditioning mask which will maintain your hair. Yes, and Shinichi Kedar is at home. Next question is solution for dark circles. The question is from Arpita. Arpita, if you are live, then let me tell you, for even for dark circles, there are a number of reasons which affects and results in dark circles. But yes, you can have at least 8 hours of sleep. With that, drink 3 to 4 liters of water a day. And girls, make sure you clean your mascaras and liners before you sleep. they are not there under our eyes. नहीं तो क्या होता है, the black pigments they saturate under the eye and result in dark circles. So make sure you clean them. With that, if you have dark circles right now, what you can do at present time is clean your face, clean your under eye especially neatly. Then apply a good night cream and an under eye cream. There are various under eye creams in market. You can use any of your choice. Yes, I hope you got your answer. And make sure you follow that religiously. Okay, here is another question. Hello ma'am, I am inspired by your videos and want to start my YouTube channel. Can you give me some bonus tips? Okay, the question is from Saili. Saili, let me tell you that even I am a beginner. But I would like to tell you something which I experienced is once a professional was also a beginner. So keep that in your mind. Just start with whatever you have. Okay, even I am shooting at my home with a phone camera. It doesn't matter, means if you will see for opportunities, like you will get a good camera, a good studio, and then you will start with a good concept in your mind, then that will happen years and years after. So जो है जैसा है उसमें से start doing that, जो आपको help करेगा आगे बढ़ने के लिए. Once you start, you will go on growing and growing. So make sure you start the day you get that idea in your brain. Right? I hope I helped you with that. And make sure you have good content with you. क्योंकि then the camera, the studio, that all things doesn't matter if you have a good content with you. Yes? Next question. What for grey hair? By Adi. Okay, so it is same as hair fall and kind of stuffs. Like it can happen due to genetics, because of stress levels, then deficiency in body. So it can happen due to various reasons. But then if you are getting it in earlier age, then make sure you check your diet, because diet plays a vital role in your resulting in your entire body. जो भी आपके body पे दिख के आता है, it can be your dark circles, your hair fall, your dehydrated skin. It is all result of your diet. So make sure you see for your diet कि आप क्या consume कर रहे हो. Stop having junk foods. And if you are going to color your hairs, make sure they are professional colors. They are not that dabba wala color. Okay, so make sure that one thing. With that, okay, I have an informal question here. Before that, I have a question in my chat box, that is, how can we get rid of pimple scars? Like guys, pimple scars is a thing which will जो धीरे धीरे करके जाएगा, right? So you have to constantly go under some cleanups or facials or good face packs that will disquamate the scars and give a good result, even result on your skin. So yes, another informal question is, do you have a boyfriend? Guys, it is too personal question, but I would like to skip this. And yeah, I don't have it. Right. Move to our next question. Which software you use for editing? The question is from Yash. Yash, we use Adobe Premiere Pro and Illustrator. We use many more, but actually I don't know. Rupesh knows that better. So yes, I hope you got your answer. Next is, do you wear contact lenses? The question is from Priya. Priya, I don't wear contact lenses. It is a gift from my late grandmother, so I don't wear that. Next, okay, what is your age?